Hello, trading is closed on May the 3rd, 2021. We always start with our disclaimer. Read it carefully and remember I can be completely wrong and all trades are at your own risk. We said the commonest thing was a gap in the prompt move outside the day's range. We got that. Looked for a period of consolidation rather than a drop. We got that. All we did was retest the old lows, drop and retest the old highs. That's consolidating. Look for the pattern with the early low. There it is. Tomorrow has the early high. During the day, we got an ultimate sell signal. That's the minimum. We almost always get more. We got that. MEJT said this drop was false. It would retrace. Said the rally was false. Price would retrace. That's already happened. Here's what we said yesterday. Most common gap and prompt move outside the range. Look for a period of consolidation. Well, I was hoping this was the end of wave 5, and it still could be. This could be A. You could have an ABC with C is a 61.8% retrace. And if we keep dropping from here, everything is fine. But this wave 5 here, this whole big rally up here, 3, 4, 5, this wave 5 could be just one of 5. And, hold on. Okay, and this whole formation here could be just wave 2 of wave gold 5, and there could be a lot more upside. Doesn't mean that's going to happen, just means you can read the count differently at this point. Tomorrow's pattern has really high. We could gap down. Typically, it's a bearish day with a final hour low. The day is strong instead. Usually manifests itself early on, goes higher in subsequent sessions. So far, we just consolidated after the recent high. Late correction was a standard retracement of the prior rally, 61.8%. We had a day-long drop. Usually it's a bearish formation, but we didn't close under the midday lows. And if it's maintained through the open tomorrow, that's actually a bullish sign. We also have a wall into the close, and often you gap up when that happens. The recent high was a candidate for the end of the rally leg. So far, all that's happened is we've consolidating rather than declining. Certainly opens the door for more rally to come, but negative scenario hasn't been, should be been invalidated yet. And if we drop smartly from the open tomorrow, there is a wave count which is compatible with a steeper decline than we've seen so far. So tomorrow has the early high. Isn't as clear a longer term pattern as I would like it to be. We're consolidating, and there either should be a big move down or a big move up, and I think it's going to be clear before too long, which it is. I take things a day at a time, and tomorrow's pattern has the early high. And that's today's call.